Hey guys, this is the new trade and this is the perfect structure for sell. Alright, and targets are way below. This is the trade once in a while. Everyone in the trading room should be in it. Alright, so we are taking the short entry and this is the stop and this is the target for this trade, and I'll be updating you as we go along on this trade. I'm telling you, do not miss this trade. Alright. So as you can see guys, Nifty is moving in the direction and we would be paying more attention once it reach over here. Alright, so we'd be seeing it how is it going over there. Alright, the way this is going to be developed will decide whether we are going to get this target or not. Alright, in that case we need to modify our targets. So I'll be seeing you soon and I'll update you as we go along on this trade. Hey guys, this is the next update. As you can see, we are moving towards our targets, and while I was watching this trade very closely, I found one really nice strategy I can work on. You know what? When trade is going in our direction and when this thing is happening in the middle of that, you know what we can do over there? We can add more trade to our direction. So instead of our regular size of the quantity, we can increase the size of the quantity so we can gain as much as possible from the trade. So we'll be working on that. I'll be sharing that strategy with you guys also in the trading room. So I'll be updating you on this trade once the market is closed. So before the market close, seems like it might hit, it might not get hit. Anyways, we'll see what happens. I'll be updating you. Thank you. Alright guys, so this is the final update. We are out of the trade and this is the only drawback of the intraday trade which I don't like. We are moving in our direction but we have to close the trade because this is an intraday trade. Anyways, still 47.50 points is not a bad trade from the market. So I'll see you soon as I find any other good trade. India Trading Academy signing off. Thank you.